Hi everyone, today here we are with a new video of IKEA and Farzi Cafe. So firstly let's start with IKEA. So this is the entry point for IKEA where we have to wait maybe like around an hour to enter into the gate. So due to the COVID norms and all, right, they only allow the limited number of people at a time. Yeah. And this is the parking lot where you can see that each vehicle is parked in alternate cells, uh, so that's the reason why only limited number of people are allowed in order to maintain the social distancing. Yeah, and this is a four-wheeler parking lot. You can see the cars are parked alternatively. And from here we'll be moving on to the queue where we need to wait an hour or so to actually enter inside the mall, and this is where the queue starts. And as you can see, the yellow dots where each and that's the marking where each person should be standing in order to maintain the social distancing. And this is the entrance for the mall. You can see everyone is waiting to get inside the mall as it's a long queue. So yeah, and after a long wait of 2 hours we finally entered inside the mall, and the first section we came across is the soft toys section. As you can see, there are a wide range of toys here. Their price ranging from 99 rupees to maybe 1999 rupees. Actually the quality has been good, so definitely would love to have one if you're a soft toy lover. And depending on the size also the price matters, right? Yeah. And the next section we move on is the toddler section, where you can find everything kid wants until 3 years of age. Like you can find the chairs, balls, spoons, plates, and everything, kerchief, napkins, everything. And this is a child bedroom setup. As you can see, it is a small room but a very well organized, and also your kid would love to have such kind of. And this is a setup for a compact room. If you are a bachelor, you would love to have such kind of room. And if your room is small, you can see that how organized it looks. Even the storage boxes on the left, wardrobe, everything. And this is a setup for a spacious room. And definitely girls would love to have a spacious room because they will have a lot of dresses. So if you can see, there are so many wardrobe sections, and dressing tables, mirrors, everything, right? And this is a pillows section, I think so. Yeah. You can find a wide range of pillows here according to your interest. And this is a kitchen section. You can find everything related to kitchen, including the decorative items that you can keep in kitchen, everything. And these stickers have been placed all over IKEA in order to bring awareness to their customers. And as you can see, there are cupboards that you would like to place in your kitchen with different shades. Yeah. And this is actually a kitchen setup that you would like to have it in your home. You can see how good it looks and neat as well. Definitely. And only one person is allowed to go inside and see, so that because of the COVID norms, right? Yeah. From here we move on to the decorative items section, and this is where you can see different kinds of paintings, landscape pictures, plastic plants, pots, anything related to decorative items. Maybe like scented candles, vases, bulbs, lanterns, plastic flowers, everything else, right? You can find them here. After shopping, we went on to have our lunch at Farzi Cafe. Farzi Cafe has a beautiful ambience, and at night it even looks a lot more better than what you're seeing right now. So it's better to visit at night time. And this is how it looks from the top. Actually this is a rooftop dining which we have opted for. You also have an option for indoor dining as well. As you can see, the staff members have been using the shields, gloves, masks, and maintaining the COVID norms. It's very good to see that. And this is how it looks from the top, the rooftop. As you can see, each table has a sanitizer bottle, so they have been maintaining a COVID norms perfectly. And next comes the food which we have ordered, and this is a pie soup. And Farzi Cafe has a unique style of serving food and different varieties of bowls. And they look really good. And also the taste of the food here is really good. It might be a bit costly, but yeah, it's definitely worth having food here, or at least once. It's really good actually. And this is a Nizami Tarkari biryani, and yeah. And as you can see here, this is one of the dessert which we have ordered. See how good it looks. And also the bill. Yeah, this is how they show up the bill. It's a unique, right? Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please